Confidence doesn't begin when everything feels easy. It begins the moment you choose to move, even when your mind whispers, "I can't." Yoga isn't about how flexible your body is, it's about how open your heart is to growth. When you step onto your mat, you step into a space where strength and softness meet. Feel your feet grounding into the earth, steady, unshaken. Roll your shoulders back, open your chest, lift your gaze. This is what confidence feels like, not loud, not forced, but calm, steady, certain. Inhale, and draw power into your body. Exhale, and let go of everything that weighs you down. Fear, doubt, comparison. They don't belong here. Each pose you hold, each breath you take, it's a quiet reminder that you're capable. Not because someone said so, but because you showed up. You moved through resistance. You found peace in the effort. Confidence isn't something you find, it's something you build. And with every breath, every movement, every moment of stillness, you are building it. So breathe deeper. Move with purpose. Feel your strength expand with every inhale. Feel your fears melt away with every exhale. You are grounded. You are powerful. You are enough.